Good evening out of Zurich. I have a piece of video I'm gonna show. But before the video come along, I want you to realize something. When blackbirds flying at night, that's a really unusual pattern. I was talking to a friend and we had a conversation. Gonna give you a part of the conversation. Blackbird flying at night, that is an unusual pattern. Yes, and to the extent of pitching or sitting on electric wire. I know about sitting on electric wire. Do you realize that people have not seen birds in action for a long time? Many young people today knows nothing of their pattern. And it's the first they are seeing anything like this, especially those living in urban section. I don't recall seeing blackbirds flying at night. They usually settle at dusk. A typical signs of the time. Snows that cannot melt with fire. Rivers turning red. Nations upheaval. Yes, the signs of times. What I know is that when death is nearby, a few comes out at night, but not in such quantities. Exactly, not in such quantities. There's so much happening as foretold in the history. It's revelation time, but the end is not yet. Yes, I know it's revelation time, and not yet. And then this person went on to say, my grandson, yet to fulfill his God-given purpose. We talk a few things over, and he said, it's time for nations to look within itself and to see what caused deficit among itself. True. Children will do God's will. That means children who are ready, perfectly ready to do the will of God. God has always put a ram in a bush. It's full time for nation to look deep within itself. Look deep within themselves. That includes the people. That's when I said nation. Nations of all different sort. Look within themselves to see what really causing what is happening to us in this time and age. The wind of change travel with many of our children, but we are killing them out. Blackbirds flying at that night, that is not normal. That is not normal. It's not the first time I've seen a video like this. But this video, you will hear for yourself. It happened in Savanna-la-mar in Jamaica. There's another video pacing for quite a while now. And I thought I would not have done this video. But it come to bring back a memory of something that many of us are not really penetrating. The Bible said that heaven declared the glory of God. I know you people don't want to hear that. And the firmament showed his handiwork. It went on to tell us also that when Noah was warning the people, many didn't understand and many just say, no, because they've never seen rain. And they tend to just bash that away until rain came. The flood came. And many of you know the ending of it because it has been sung many a times on the shores. By enough of the DJs, them and the dancehall artists, them and all them things. Some of you don't really understand what take place right now. The birds them are showing us say the condition no nice down a yard. It has shown you say the condition no nice in the world. And a full time for we turn the things them over. As saying of this, the kidnapping of children and all them things, they just keep on a pop up. Another thing to say this thing is just normal. Someone who has see the thing happen, but are not afraid to report it because why them also know what? I send out news. You know what? When the thing touch your door, no call nobody and no beg nobody to come help you. The thing right now I touch too much blood I spill. And the birds, them blackbirds at night, settling at night on electric wires at night, when all the vultures are shocking wild. And you people don't think it's something to wake us up. I know the whole world might watch the video if you get a chance to go out there. But me I talk to the yardie them, the Jamaican them. When I take nothing seriously. And me I tell you say enough thing I got pop off right in on the coast. Straight on the yard. Doorstep and thing. Before no phone I gonna realize say. The one you know I get a long time. But you not take heed. You laugh after everything. You take everything for joke. You continue doing nonsense and nonsense and nonsense. But right now, in nonsense, I got put you out. Once again, this is Jamaican TV. I don't know so no one listen about no God thing. But if you are like here, I'm not going to stop telling you the truth. Like many others who are telling you one in a long time. Say, he's upon the crime. He's upon the scamming. He's up. The backbiting. He's up. Now the lying and the corrupt ways of doing things. He's up. Don't forget about Port Royal. Now, because of one little island, it can't sink. Once again, this is Jamaican TV out of Zurich, saying unto each and every one of us. Through COVID-19, keep your distance. Through COVID-19, wash your hand. Through COVID-19, stay your yard. No backbite your friend them, man. Live, and let the next man live. Sing some Sankey, man. And juvenate yourself. Walk in peace, my friend. Shalom.
It's coming like a crisis, brother. Looking at the sky, I'm out a blackbird. In a Savanna-la-mar. Watch out. Watch out. Hold in the sky. Be a blackbird. I sign this here, brother. Watch out. How are this, man? Watch out. Watch out. For blackbird. Watch out. I sign this here, brother. For blackbird. I first say about me in Jamaica. Like this is a sign or something, pa. Watch it. For blackbird. For blackbird. Where they come from? I don't know. Bumbleclad. But so much of them are blackbird they come from. More have to know myself. Watch it. I sign this one. Bible are fulfilling of people. Yeah. My Bible are fulfill me. I tell you nothing. A joke thing. Yo. I can't believe when I see one guy right now. Blackbird. For blackbird. Right, John. I joke this.
I'm getting attacked by birds. This is terrifying. What happens if I honk? What's going on? Oh, this is so weird. They're on top of my car. Oh my God. That's disgusting. Go away. I got in my car just in time. This is ridiculous. Ew. Gonna have to get in the car wash. never seen so many birds.